Efficiency is key here. The day-old chicks are loaded onto specialized, climate-controlled trucks for transport.
In the modern hatchery, automation ensures every egg is handled with precision as they move toward incubation.
Inside the hatchery, biosecurity is paramount. Every egg is carefully transported to the...
Once collected, the fertile eggs are quickly transported to the setters, where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled.
Here at the hatchery, precision robotics handle thousands of eggs an hour, streamlining the process from the very start. In a modern hatchery, efficiency is paramount. Thousands of eggs are carefully moved along these automated conveyor belts every hour. In the modern hatchery, precision is key. The automated system carefully moves the eggs into the multi-stage incubators.
These state-of-the-art incubators maintain the perfect temperature and humidity, essential for the healthy development of the chicks.
Inside the hatchery, thousands of eggs are carefully rotated by specialized machinery, a critical step in the modern incubation process.
Here in the processing room, thousands of eggs are sorted and prepared for incubation by our dedicated team.
The journey begins here at the processing plant, where every egg is meticulously inspected by high-speed scanners.
Using advanced optical scanning, the hatchery tracks fertility rates in real time. Green dots indicate viable eggs, ensuring maximum efficiency.
The automated vaccination machine ensures every egg is precisely inoculated, a crucial step in modern poultry farming.
Here at the processing facility, millions of eggs are rapidly sorted and scanned by laser technology, maintaining the highest quality standards.
The automated conveyor system efficiently transports the fertilized eggs to the incubators.
The automated feeding system ensures a constant supply of nutrient-rich pellets, vital for the rapid growth of the chicks.
Specialized yellow feed pellets, rich in protein and vitamins, are essential for the rapid growth cycle of modern broiler chickens.
In the hatchery, millions of eggs are incubated under precise conditions before the crucial hatching stage.
Efficiency is key. Here in the hatchery, eggs are moved from incubation to the hatching stage.
The eggs are carefully transferred to the state-of-the-art incubators, where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled.
In the controlled environment of the modern hatchery, the incubation process nears completion. The eggs begin to pip, signaling the start of hatching.
The incubation period is critical. Here, in the controlled environment of the hatcher basket, the chicks
Immediately after hatching, the chicks are provided with specialized troughs, ensuring early hydration and a strong, efficient start to the growth cycle.
In the modern hatchery, efficiency is key as thousands of chicks begin their journey.
Efficiency is key. Our team expertly sorts thousands of chicks every hour, ensuring only the healthiest birds move on to the next stage.
Here in the hatchery, workers sort thousands of chicks every hour to ensure only the healthiest birds move on to the next stage.
The sorting line moves rapidly, handling thousands of chicks per hour with precision.
Here in the hatchery, efficiency is paramount. The automated system handles thousands of chicks per hour.
Efficiency is key. Thousands of healthy chicks are prepared daily for shipment to the broiler farms. Specialized transport vehicles like this one are the backbone of modern agriculture, moving thousands of birds efficiently across the country.
The process begins here at the farm exterior, where automated systems manage feeding and environmental conditions for thousands of chickens.
The process begins with a thick layer of absorbent wood chip bedding, applied evenly by specialized machinery.
Fresh wood chip bedding is essential for the comfort and health of the chicks. The automated spreader ensures an even layer throughout the barn.
Upon arrival, the farm worker carefully unloads the climate-controlled transport of day-old chicks.
The day-old chicks arrive in sanitized crates and are immediately transferred to the climate-controlled rearing facility by the farm staff.
The farm worker ensures the chicks are evenly distributed across the wood chip floor, providing a comfortable start in the brooding area.
Once hatched, the vibrant yellow chicks are quickly moved from the incubators to the main barn floor via an automated chute.
Here in the modern facility, the environment is carefully controlled to ensure the healthy development of the chicks. In this state-of-the-art facility, thousands of chicks are raised under optimal conditions, with automated systems.
The process begins here, highlighting the strict biosecurity measures between the open fields and the advanced indoor facilities.
The process begins here, with high-quality soybeans ready to be milled into feed for the broiler chickens.
This state-of-the-art machinery allows us to efficiently harvest the feed necessary to sustain thousands of healthy chickens.
Advanced machinery ensures that every batch of feed meet our strict quality standards.
The chickens are fed a carefully balanced diet of high-quality grains, ensuring optimal growth in a controlled environment. In a modern hatchery, day-old chicks quickly learn to feed. This early nutrition is crucial for healthy development and efficient production. Young broiler chicks immediately gather at the specialized feeders, consuming the precise formula required for healthy development.
Water regulation is crucial. The automated bell drinkers are precisely calibrated to meet the needs of the growing flock.
Efficient hydration is crucial for the healthy development of the chicks in the early stages. These specialized nipple drinkers provide water on demand, optimizing hydration and hygiene for the flock.
This facility houses over 50,000 brown layers, managed by state-of-the-art automated feeding and watering systems, ensuring peak efficiency.
The automated feeding system is the backbone of the modern poultry house, ensuring a constant supply of feed to maximize efficiency and growth.
The tiered system ensures optimal space utilization as the hens feed from the automated troughs. The automated feeding system ensures every bird has access to feed on demand, a critical component of modern, efficient poultry farming.
In a modern layer house, the hens are fed automatically, ensuring efficient growth and consistent egg production. The automated feeding system ensures a consistent and nutritious diet for the layer hens, optimizing egg production.
Inside the broiler houses, the chickens are raised in a climate-controlled environment, ensuring healthy growth and efficient production.
The automated scraper system efficiently moves the accumulated manure into the collection pit below.
The farm worker regularly inspects the nesting boxes, ensuring the smooth operation of the automated egg collection system.
Modern agriculture prioritizes the comfort of the layer hens, ensuring a steady supply of high-quality eggs for the next stage of the process.
The automated conveyor system ensures a rapid and sterile transition from the nesting boxes to the hatchery.
Once collected, the eggs are immediately moved to the hatchery via an automated conveyor system, minimizing handling and maximizing efficiency.
Every egg passes through a rigorous quality control check to ensure only the best reach the consumer.
The automated packing machine handles 30 eggs simultaneously, ensuring maximum efficiency in the modern hatchery process. Advanced automation ensures that every egg is meticulously inspected and moved efficiently to the next stage of the process.
Once sanitized, the eggs are precisely placed into trays by the robotic packing system.
Maintaining the cold chain is crucial for quality control in the modern hatchery process.
This state-of-the-art harvesting equipment ensures the process remains seamless and highly efficient, even during nighttime transit.
All right, slowly now, watch the hydraulic line.
It's clearing the threshold. Keep it steady.
Once fully grown, the broiler chickens are efficiently collected by the state-of-the-art harvesting machine.
Using specialized equipment, the night crew efficiently transfers the mature broiler chickens to awaiting transport, minimizing stress.
The forklift transports clean crates down the main thoroughfare, preparing for the next cycle.
The journey from the farm to the facility is optimized for efficiency, utilizing specialized trucks to transport the livestock.
Once the chickens arrive at the state-of-the-art processing plant, the trucks are precisely guided to the unloading bays, efficiently transferring the broiler chickens from the transport truck to the processing facility.
Upon arrival at the facility, broiler chickens are quickly and efficiently moved from transport onto the processing line.
The shackle line ensures a high volume throughput, moving thousands of birds per hour with maximum efficiency. The automated system guides the birds into the stunning tank, ensuring
Once processed, the chickens move swiftly down the line for final inspection, ensuring the highest standards of quality and efficiency.
The defeathered chickens move automatically along the line to the scalding tank, where controlled water temperatures prepare them for the next stage of processing. The state-of-the-art facility utilizes high-speed rotary drum pluckers, ensuring rapid and hygienic feather removal before the chilling stage.
The specialized shackles transport the broiler hawks through the processing line, a seamless and highly efficient mechanical ballet. The circular blade precisely severs the hawks, a critical step in the rapid processing line.
This highly automated system minimizes human contact, ensuring maximum sterility throughout the process.
The collection area is the final step before distribution. Here, the feet are sorted and chilled for transport.
The carcasses are moved rapidly down the stainless steel chute onto the main conveyor line for further processing. Here at the evisceration line, the process is streamlined for maximum efficiency.
The evisceration line is highly mechanized, ensuring efficiency and hygiene in the process.
After stunning and bleeding, the birds move to the evisceration line, where internal organs are swiftly removed for inspection.
State-of-the-art machinery processes the chickens while our workers perform critical inspections, maintaining the flow of the evisceration line. Ensuring the highest standards of hygiene, the birds pass through the automated spray washer, utilizing powerful jets for a deep clean. Once cleaned, the carcasses move rapidly along the overhead conveyor system for inspection.
After evisceration, the carcasses are quickly moved into the chiller system to reduce the temperature efficiently.
The screw chiller rapidly reduces the core temperature of the chickens, a critical step for food safety.
The high-volume screw chiller utilizes a powerful auger to move the chickens through the frigid, circulating water.
Here at the chiller exit, the birds are rapidly cooled to ensure freshness before moving down the line.
The birds enter the immersion chiller, where the ice and water mixture quickly lowers their core temperature, a vital step for food safety. Here on the processing floor, efficiency is paramount. Our automated systems and dedicated team ensure quality control at every step. The automated sorting line ensures precision, weighing each chick rapidly before directing them to the appropriate grow-out facility. The packing process is streamlined for maximum efficiency. Each package is quickly sealed and prepared for distribution. Here at the packing line, the freshly prepared Shanti chicken bags are quickly sorted and crated for delivery. Here in the deboning room, workers swiftly prepare the chickens for the next stage of processing, ensuring maximum efficiency.
The deboning line is a marvel of modern efficiency, where our dedicated team processes poultry with speed and precision.
Here on the deboning line, skilled workers rapidly separate the breast meat and wings from the carcass with precision.
The next step in the process is deboning, handled by our trained factory workers.
Here at the facility, our skilled team processes thousands of breasts per hour, maintaining peak efficiency throughout the shift.
The automated system moves the chicken through the plant, where workers ensure precision and quality control before packaging.
The sealed products are then precisely weighed and vacuum sealed to ensure freshness before being packed into boxes for shipment.